Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's long weekend and another trip, but this time we are here to explore Oregon. So without any further delay, let's roll the video. A very good morning. So starting our road trip from Washington to Oregon, our first stop will be Olympia, visiting the Capitol building. So without any further delay, here we begin our video. American villages often evoke a sense of quiet charm and community spirit. These small, often rural settlements are characterized by their close-knit populations, and many American villages have unique local culture. Our journey began quite with a gloomy weather, but making sure to make most out of this trip. With its impressive dome, one of the tallest masonry dome in the world, stands a masterpiece. Well, the iconic Capitol building. Let's explore this inside. It's fun and a free way to learn about the process of lawmaking in Washington state. They have daily tours of the legislative building where you can see the offices of the Secretary of State and the Governor. Meanwhile, we grab our meal and continuing our journey. Seaside, a beautiful town on the Oregon coast. Along with charming coastal town, Seaside is famous for its white sandy beaches and iconic seaside promenade. Known for the end of the trail, Levi's and Clark Monument, which is located here, paying tribute to their journey to the Pacific Ocean.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.
Here at Cannon Beach, a picturesque iconic landmark, Haystack Rock.
As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running.
It is an igneous rock formation that was created by lava flows millions of years ago, standing at 235 feet tall, an important nesting sites for seabirds.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
foggy landscapes and mist-covered hills add a touch of mystery to the journey. It's another day and we are heading to Tillamook Creamery. With its scenic location on the Oregon coast and dedication to sustainability and quality, Tillamook Creamery is a must-visit destination for food enthusiasts and travelers alike. A renowned dairy cooperative famous for its high-quality cheese, ice creams, and other dairy products. Continuing our next stop to Sea Lion Caves, the largest sea lion caves in the United States and one of the largest in the world. Well, the location provides stunning views of Oregon coastline and Pacific Ocean.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
The caves are open year-round.
Take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, the night. Wanna dance to the light. Pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild.
It has a single cavern that stretches approximately 12 stories high, accessible to visitors via an elevator that descends 208 feet down to the viewing area where you can see the sea lions. And here we heading to our main destination of this trip, Crater Lake National Park.
The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
On the way, we came across Toketee Falls that offers great views of the falls and the surrounding forest.
As the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be.
Nested in the southern Cascades of Oregon, Crater Lake is the deepest lake in the United States, renowned for its strikingly clear, deep blue water. The lake is encircled by the steep cliff.
The moonlight, the summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever.
I hope you guys like exploring with us. If you like watching the content, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time.
Wanna dance to